Alright, for today's video, we're going to install a K&N high flow air filter on the 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK. One of the reasons we're going with the K&N is because it's reusable. So we'll be able to clean it, oil it, and then throw it back in. And everything we do on the Jeep, we do on the road because we live in a camper full time. So yeah, it's going to be a basic video just showing you how to install the air filter. And this isn't for somebody that has a lot of mechanical knowledge. This is just your basic person that doesn't really know much about cars and wants to save a couple bucks by trying to put an air filter in. So for this, the part number for the K&N air filter is actually 332364. So that's if you want the K&N one. There's a couple out there, AFE, K&N. They're all pretty much the same in my opinion. First thing you're gonna want to do is locate the air box. On the air box, there's 4 tabs, and you're just gonna pop those back, and then you're gonna lift up, and then you'll have access to the air filter. And this one right here only has about 15,000 miles on it, and this is how dirty it got. So like I said, these are throwaway air filters, and to us it's just easier to be able to clean it and replace it. So this is actually a Mopar brand, and these are like 20 something bucks by themselves. So for 40 you can just go ahead and get one that you can replace. All right, so straight out of the box, these filters are pre-oiled, so there's nothing to do but to install them. A lot of the K&Ns have broken packages at Walmart, so you'll want to compare and make sure it is the right filter for the vehicle you're installing it on. After that, you're pretty much just lifting up, sliding the new one in. Make sure it sits in the groove flush like this. And then you're going to install the cap in the same position it was in. Stop. So once it's all buttoned up and you got all 4 of the little tabs put back on and it's secure in place, then you're pretty much done. One thing to note is if it's been a while since you've changed your air filter or you've never done it, is that all you have to do is get a screwdriver, pull this off in the 4 tabs, and you'll be able to remove the cover completely off. You'll want to do that because, as you're seeing how dirty this is, a lot of stuff collects in there, and you'll want to remove that from the box before you put the new air filter in. Yeah, pretty much that sums up how to install the air filter, the K&N air filter. Once again, the part number is 33-2364. I'm gonna put a link in the description for Amazon, and Amazon actually has it cheaper than a lot of the other places. Do not buy this at AutoZone. It's about $5 to $10 more. If Walmart has it in stock, it's gonna be about $39, $40, and Amazon is right around the same price. All right, thanks for watching, guys.